If you're exploring Ethereum based crypto or decentralized applications, MetaMask is one of the most accessible and widely used wallets available. Available as a browser extension and mobile app, it offers great flexibility across devices, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. MetaMask simplifies everything from creating or importing a wallet to managing ETH, ERC20 tokens, and NFTs, all with a clean, user friendly interface. Your private keys are stored locally, giving you full control and enhanced security, though this also means you're fully responsible for safeguarding your seed phrase. MetaMask also supports hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, giving an extra layer of protection. One standout feature is its built-in token swap, which pulls liquidity from multiple DEXs to help you get competitive rates without leaving the wallet. It also supports multiple networks, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and testnets. Final verdict: MetaMask is a powerful, intuitive wallet perfect for engaging with the Ethereum ecosystem. Just be mindful of gas fees and phishing risks. Like and subscribe for more crypto wallet reviews and essential blockchain tips.